Hey sis, salons are closed, but you don't need skills to slay like this. Now I know you see those curls. The K-Wig is back and better than ever and even more beginner friendly because guess what? She's not a lace frontal. You heard right, and she's super affordable right now with the Black Friday sale going on. So check that description box and use that coupon code so you can save some coins. Now let's get into it. So you heard right, this unit is actually a lace closure wig. Okay, it's been years since I've tried this, and you guys see this is a 5x5 lace closure. The parting goes far back into the crown, so that is super versatile. And this is 130% density, super full, but not overwhelming to the beginner. Now look at the cap, pre-bleached knots, combs on the left and right sides adjacent to the lace closure. You get a new adjustable elastic band and a comb and adjustable straps at the nape. Now you know we have to co-wash the curls, so definitely co-wash your unit before you style it. And I'm just going to add a little bit of water since it's about 90% damp. And I'm going to create a small section of hair that's closest to the beginning of the wefts so that I don't pluck too much near this area. Now you know it wouldn't be a Taste Pink tutorial if I didn't tweeze just a little bit. So I'm actually going in and just doing a little bit of customization. While they did a really good job with the pre-plucked hairline, I just want to improve the transitional density. Now, if you're new here, you're just checking in on my channel, I recently did a live stream talking about all things tweezing and plucking, and we had a grand old time. So I'll link that in the card section as well as the description box, and make sure you check it out if you want a more in-depth tutorial and a cute little kiki. So you guys see I'm doing minimal tweezing and plucking. I maybe, went a little overboard, but I still think it looks really good. But again, I don't want to intimidate the beginner. So if you need to, you can adjust the speed of this video and slow it down so you can see exactly what I'm doing. You don't have to go as hard. It's not necessary. Now, of course, I like to use my hot comb, and I like to use that back edge to slick down the very front of this hairline. Such a great tip. There's no product on the hair when I'm doing this until I add this mousse. So this is actually a conditioning mousse. This is a hold mousse, so it's going to give the hair a little bit of sheen. It's also going to, add a bit of hold so it stays in place. Again, I like that look. It just keeps the hair out of the face. Now trust me, this is going to be some of the last times that you guys see me applying pressed powder because I'm about to get into lace tinting. But you guys know I add pressed powder and then I hit it with a hold spray. This is the mini hard head spray. And you guys always have questions about the foundation, so I wanted to show you exactly how my hair is under the wig. And when I apply the unit, I'm going to place the elastic band first, make sure it's comfortable. I don't place it directly on the nape because again, I don't want that friction rubbing against my hair. We put her on and she's already amazing. She looks really good. So I really want to go in and make sure that the part is flat. This unit is practically perfect, I'm gonna be honest with you. And the fact that MyFirstWig is having their Black Friday sale right now, you guys could get $50 off this unit. But the true tea is you need to bookmark this wig, add it to your cart, put that promo code in, drop the $50 off, and sis, treat yourself. We're going into the holidays. It's been a tough time, and I know you've been working hard, sis. I see you. Salons are closed. This is your fix. Now, because this is a lace closure, I mean, removing the lace is just, it's easy. Now, you could honestly remove this lace and you're done. You're good to go. Because of the elastic band and the presence of the combs, you can secure this wig with absolutely no product. But you guys know, I like to take it a step further. And this is the Insta High Spray by Got To Be. I featured this in my plucking live stream, and I'm here to tell you this thing is no joke. It slicks it down, it keeps it in place. It is a serious hold. I mean, when I say the wig is secured, it's not going anywhere. So definitely make sure you check the description box for all of the products I'm using in today's video. But I wanted to emphasize how important it is to just use that comb to brush the product through so it's not sitting on top of the hair creating that white residue, and use the cool setting on your blow dryer. Now, of course, you have to go in and clean everything up. I'm actually using toner. You can use alcohol. Again, alcohol is very drying, so you can use that, but just be careful. Now, of course, it wouldn't be a tutorial if we didn't have that elastic band. I'll have one linked in the description box, but you need these for that impeccable melt. Now, once you take her off, the hairline is sitting, and now we have to work on doing swoops. Now, you know I do adult swoops, not baby hairs, so if that's your thing and you like the smash down look, you can do that. But I think sometimes people believe that because it's a lace closure, you have to do extra swooping or more baby hairs to make it look realistic. And the truth is you don't. This hair pretty much stays put. The hair that you allocate for your swoops doesn't have to be excessive. It could be minimal and it could be perfect, just like this. Not too much. You want to disguise the weft that is sitting right beside the lace closure. Do the best you can. But honestly, the way I'm styling this hair, it stays put, even if the wind catches you off guard. And I, for one, don't like doing my adult swoops too close to the parting space. Like, you know what I'm saying? It would look, you know, like art, you know? And I mean, it should be art, but like, I don't want it to be like abstract art. Like, I just swoops on the side. That's all I need, okay? Again, I'm adding that elastic band because we are going to go into the curl defining phase. Now, this unit looks gorgeous with the curls kind of distressed. You guys get to see, like, I would say the bulk of the volume, but I'm gonna go in and add some water, misting the hair very generously. I'm gonna work this through, and I'm using Marc Anthony's Coconut Hydrating Curl Cream. This is super affordable. You can get this at the drugstore. I used this in the original K tutorial, and I said, let me bring it back. This product is amazing. It is incredibly hydrating. The coconut smell is so refreshing. You can use a comb or a brush to work this through. I'm not going to bring the comb through the hair too rough. I don't want to shrink the curls. I want you guys to see the full 16-inch length and what it looks like. I honestly think this unit would look absolutely gorgeous in the length 14 inches. Again, the choice is yours. I'm wearing 16 inches, and even when you add the product and you define the curls, you still have substantial length, which I really, really like. Now, I know you see those curls. I mean, super silky, very lush, and you can see the difference. This is just to let you know the products I'm using, they work. I mean, just look at the transformation. Like, we did that. Okay. So yes, my best advice is always to co-wash your curly units. And, you know, once they're about 90% dry, you want to go in and, you know, just mist the hair with some water. It just helps to move the product through and distribute it evenly so it's not caked up. It doesn't have that white residue or buildup. And again, the shine on this hair. Now, when it does dry down, I want you to know that it will have a little bit of hold. It's not that it's going to be crazy crunchy. If you don't like that crunchy feel, I advise going in with a bit of oil, a very lightweight oil, rose oil, jojoba oil, even olive oil if you have it on hand. Just don't get carried away. Now, if you were scared of lace frontals, if you're concerned about your edges, this is a great alternative. And I'm so glad that MyFirstWig, you know, we came together and we said it's time to give them a lace closure version of the K wig. And if you are someone who's wanted this, but you're just nervous about the daunting task of customization, this is for you. This is it. Now, just make sure that you do comb the area in the crown so it lays and it covers the wefts. Again, the wefts are sitting just behind the lace closure, so make sure you slick it down exactly how you'd like. Now, can we talk about when I get myself together? Now, this is an awesome Thanksgiving look. The curls are beautiful. I mean, super lush. And the hair is about like 95% dry. And as you can see, lace, wear, what wig, what lace, okay? I'm giving you guys a full-on look. Now, it wouldn't be complete. We have to go in and just add a little bit of pressed powder under foundation. I'm using pressed powder. This is by Maybelline. It's the Fit Me pressed powder. Don't go too crazy. Don't make it too red or too orange. Make it something that truly matches your scalp color so it looks super realistic. And I'm adding a bit of the wax stick. This is the Flyaway Tamer from MyFirstWig, and I'm just going to use a brush to make sure I blend it in. But you can't tell me nothing. You know what? Once you get yours, ain't nobody gonna be able to talk to you. Like I said, treat yourself. It's been an interesting year and you deserve to feel good and feel like you can slay, okay? This is the quick fix you need. Thank you, MyFirstWig. Definitely check out the website. Use the coupon code HAI5 to get $50 off your purchase. I already checked the promo code, says it works, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Meet me in the comments because I want to know, are you feeling this look? And I hope I see you in the next one.